In this tutorial, we will show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone and customize it as per your requirement. To enable Do Not Disturb mode, you can go to Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, and then you can select to the focus. From focus to Do Not Disturb, which have the crescent moon icon. You can tap on it to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. Or you can also enable it from setting. You can open the setting and then you can select from focus here to Do Not Disturb. Just turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. You can also customize Do Not Disturb mode to suit your requirement. After you go to setting and Do Not Disturb mode, from here you can schedule Do Not Disturb by allow call from specific contacts or specific app and enable the repeated calls feature. When Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, your iPhone will not alert you of any call, messages, or notification. However, you can still check them manually by unlocking your iPhone and opening the relevant app. That's it, guys. You now know how to use Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. With this feature, you can stay focused and avoid distraction. Try it out and let us know how it works for you. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye.